Welcome back to Historic Helicopters Official, and this week on the Whirlwind restoration, we have found something that could have been the end of the world's oldest flying helicopter. Let's have a look. Once we got the main rotor head removed, we were finally able to do the inspections on the gearbox mast. And unfortunately, what we found was corrosion in a critical area. It's exactly the sort of thing you never want to uncover on an aircraft like this. Corrosion on any helicopter has to be taken seriously, but on something as rare and as special as the Whirlwind, there can be no compromise. So as soon as we took the head off, we seen the corrosion, we made the decision that the gearbox must be replaced. With the gearbox now removed, you can really see the scale of the work. There's a huge gap where the gearbox would normally sit. It's also a view into the part of the helicopter that most people wouldn't normally get to see, and it also reveals other bits in below the gearbox that we want to tidy up. Little bits of paint that are missing will get it all looking absolutely spanking. We've got the old gearbox out on the floor beside the replacement gearbox. It's amazing to be able to have the stores to replace major components like this on an aircraft so historical. But the new gearbox looks absolutely beautiful, and the old one has been started to be undressed, ready to transfer across to the new one before fitting. So restoration isn't just about putting things together to make them look complete. It's about finding these problems, finding solutions, and making sure these aircraft are safe for our skies, and also helping to preserve their future. The Whirlwind isn't just another restoration, it's a really important part of British aviation history, and every decision we make now helps preserve that future. This might look like a step back now, but it's actually a step forward, because everything we fix now, or everything we find now, is a hidden problem that's not going to rear its head in the future. But hopefully we are still on track to make it to the Midlands Air Festival, because we really want to get the Westland Whirlwind back out flying. But that is it from me at Historic Helicopters this week, and we will see you next week.